Hey Rosebuds, hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just giving you an update on my dining chairs. I got two more dining chairs. These are from TEMU. The first two and the table was from Amazon. Remember I told you I was gonna get two more, so this is the two more that is being. Okay, so these two are from TEMU, as I said before, and they were a real pain in the butt to put together to assemble. The ones from Amazon was a lot quicker, a lot easier to put together. So if I had it to do again, I would have just gotten the four from Amazon. But because I had a credit, I wanted to apply to my TEMU and get it from TEMU. So guys, so I'm just going to show you the final look of how the four chairs look around the table. And this is basically just the final look of how the four chairs. It's really nice. It's really pretty and nice, you know. It goes along with my little coffee bar over there. So this is another chair that I got from Temu for $57, and it's really nice. It's, this is better than the other two dining chairs, but this is real like bulky, and it's, it's a better quality.